Hello, I'm Meredith Baxter, and I'm here to tell you about a different kind of cell phone company, Consumer Cellular. Now, some of us only use our cell phones a few times a day, so why should we have to pay for fancy features we don't need and minutes we never use? And worst of all, why do cell phone companies make you sign long-term, complicated contracts? Consumer Cellular is different. They keep it simple and save you money. Their rates start as low as $10 a month and no long-term contract is required. They're not a prepaid phone company. Your good credit allows you to be billed monthly. And there's never an extra charge for domestic long distance or roaming calls. You pay the same low rate day or night anywhere in the US. How's that for different?
Oh, I used to think my only options were prepaid cell service or to sign a long contract. Then I learned about Consumer Cellular, where no contracts are required.
Consumer Cellular will even send you an easy-to-use phone for free upon credit approval and service activation.
You can choose a full-feature phone from top companies like Motorola or Nokia. Or if you want something simple without the fancy features, Consumer Cellular is the exclusive provider of the new Phone Easy. These phones feature big buttons and large bright screens, making calling a breeze without confusing features. They're easy to hold and easy to use.
And Consumer Cellular is the exclusive wireless provider for AARP members, so you can trust you're dealing with a great company.
Starting with Consumer Cellular could not have been easier. In one call, I was able to place my order and even keep my current cell number.
How about this? You can try Consumer Cellular risk-free for 30 days or 30 minutes. If you're not completely satisfied for any reason, return the phone and not be charged 1 penny. They'll even pay for the return shipping. Now that's worry-free.
Call or log on now to ConsumerCellularTV.com. No long-term contracts and rates as low as $10 a month with approved credit. Try Consumer Cellular risk-free. If you're not thrilled, simply return the phone and you'll owe nothing. So get your credit card ready and order right now.
Contact Consumer Cellular today and discover why they're the right call for you.